हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल और पावर बीआई कंसल्टेंट रोल और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस रोल। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी वर्किंग हैं और यू आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब चेंज इन दिस डोमेन, देन यू शुड टेक द एंटायर वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं और व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सैलरी एंड एडिशनल बेनिफिट्स दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। उससे पहले let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. And time to time आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता है. So in future, if you do not want to lose out any opportunity related to data science domain, related to full stack developer, data analytics, business analytics domain, then you should subscribe this channel, YouTube channel, follow my Instagram page, and follow my Facebook page as well. All the links for my social media links are available in the description box, so do check out the description box as well. और जो भी जॉब्स मैं आपको आगे बताऊंगा अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे, आप उन सभी जॉब्स के जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स यू कैन गेट इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. And if you feel still you need to connect with me, if you have any doubts, any queries related to jobs, or you need any assistance related to interview, then also you can ping me on my mail ID, which I will be available in the description box. And if you're a new user watching this video first time, so do subscribe it, do like it, share it with your needy friends so that this video can also reach to the needy friends and they can also get the benefit from this video. अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में है, what are the eligibility criteria, job description of these jobs. Let's jump to the laptop screen.
तो फ्रेंड्स आ गए हम द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियोस दैट टुडेज वीडियो इज अबाउट पावर बीआई डेवलपर, पावर बीआई कंसल्टेंट और बीआई एनालिस्ट रोल। तो आज हम इन रोल्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई इंस्टा हैंडल विच इज़ जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहाँ पे आप पाते हैं लेटेस्ट जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस एंड न्यूज़ अबाउट डेटा साइंस डोमेन, एंड माई वेबसाइट callcentertalks.com for all the latest blogs about data analytics, jobs and news. So do not forget to follow and subscribe both the channels. अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। So the first company in the list is McDonald. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer, experience 3+ years, location Noida, Bangalore, and salary is no bar for right candidate. Education, they are looking for bachelor's degree in computer science or Power BI certification you should have. About the role, simply preparation of reports, data manipulation analysis, data representation using various formats and platforms, assist with maintenance of Power BI code and other data source. Now, if we'll talk about the technical skills, you should have 3+ years, very good knowledge in Power BI dashboard, knowledge in analytical software tool like Tableau, script writing capability is added advantage, excellent in MS Excel function, formulas, ads, and very good knowledge in Word and PPT. And to apply for the job post, you need to simply visit the description box where you can get the link for this company to apply for the job post. So the company name is McDonald. And I sincerely apologize if you feel that I'm rushing on the video because I need to cover 6 jobs. And anytime you feel you need to pause the video to check the entire roles and responsibilities, job description, or eligibility criteria, please do that. The second company in the list is APPYOGI Software. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer, experience 0 to 2 years. It means if you are a fresher, you can also apply for the job post, provided you should meet the eligibility criteria given below. Location is in Bangalore. Salary 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. Education bachelor's degree in computer science or engineering. Now, roles and responsibilities: convert business needs into technical specification and establish a timetable of for job completion. Use Power BI to run DAX queries and function. Create charts and data visualization implementation with explanation of algorithms. Construct a data warehouse. Use SQL queries to get the best results. Make technological adjustment to current BI system to improve their performance. Now some required skills: background with BI tools and systems such as Power BI, Tableau, and SAP, prior experience in data related tasks, understanding of the Microsoft BI stack, should be proficient in software development, be familiar with MS SQL Server, BI stack tools and technologies, and again Power Query, MDS, Power BI, and DAX. So these are some required skills you should have. To apply for the job post, simply visit the description box where you can get the job application link for this job. The third company in the list is INDUS Technologies. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer or Power BI admin. Experience 3 years. Location is remote and education university degree. Salary 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Now to apply for the job post, simply visit the description box You can get the link for this company, Indus Technologies. But let's discuss about some roles and responsibilities about this company. So study, analyze, and understand business requirements in the context of business intelligence, data visualization you need to do, create and minimum and maintain interactive visually appealing reports, data modeling, design data models to support business requirements, data integration, connect and transform data from various sources, report development, develop and customize reports, advanced calculation with the help of DEX queries, data governance, implement security and data governance, utilize Power BI, analyze previous and present data for better decision making. So this is a task of generating insights after visualizing the data and after analyzing the data. And for that, there are some required skills. Design a map data model to shift raw data into meaningful insights. Utilize Power BI to build interactive and visually appealing dashboards and reports. Analyze previous and present data for better decision making. So this is again the same required skills they are looking for. And to apply for the job post, simply visit the description box and you can get the link for this company, Indus Technologies, the job application link. So the fourth company in the list is PAYCHEX. This company is hiring for the role of business intelligence reporting analyst. Experience 2 years. Location Bangalore. Education bachelor's degree required. Salary is 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. Now let's have the look over roles and responsibilities. Prepares and distributes recurring operational reports to management to evaluate performance. Works with various corporate departments to obtain and monitor the accuracy of data. Conduct regular and ad hoc analysis for tactically daily operations. Maintain reports, dashboards, and key indicators used by the leadership team to track key metrics, including but not limited to client survey data, client loss analysis, operation process. Then data is used by the leadership team to understand the state of the business and for ongoing decision making. Possess knowledge of the business and business processes and develop collaborative working relationship with all business partners. First level troubleshooting of for question research for issue related to report or reporting process. So this is an auxiliary work you need to do. You need to work with the operation team and provide them the insights for the betterment of the business, for the growth of the business. Some required skills: 2 years of experience in technical experience in data and reporting concept tools, quickly troubleshoots and resolves problems, quickly troubleshoot and resolve problem, and a strong technical aptitude, demonstrate written communication skills. And to apply for the job post, simply visit the description box and you can get the link for this company, PAYCHEX. So the fifth company in the list is AFFINE. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer. Location Bangalore. Education bachelor's degree in engineering or computer science. Salary 10 to 13 lakhs per annum. So you can pause the video to check the rules and responsibilities of this company because they are looking for the similar kind of rules and responsibilities. And what required skills they have is Power BI basics, Power BI data modeling, text query, SQL. These are some required skills they are looking for. And to apply for the job post, simply visit the description box and you can get this link over there. Sixth company in the list is CITTA Solutions. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer. Experience 3 to 10 years. Location is 100% remote. Education B, BTech, MCA, MCS. Salary is 10 to 13 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: deploy and maintain application on cloud and on-premise, manage version control system, effective communication skills, support the team with on-call issues. So you can pause the video and you can go through with the roles and responsibilities and required skills for this company called CITTA Solution. And to get the job application link, you can visit the description box.